Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today, as you can see, something's about to happen with this hair. So before I get into what new product to me that I'm using, make sure, take a moment, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, please. Hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to see people do things with their hair, and leave me a comment before you go.
Usually I don't post.
Okay, as I said, and from what's in my hand here, I'm about to do something with this hair. Today, I'm going to try the African Pride Moisture Miracle Flaxseed Oil and Shea Butter Curl Defining Gel and Cream 3-in-1 Training System. Now, this claims it defines curl pattern, molds and holds shape, and hydrates and adds shine. This also claims to define and elongate natural coil and curl patterns. So what I'm going to try to do is do a wash and go, something I haven't done at all this summer, and so I figure why not do a wash and go before the summer is over. Okay, so this also says this has no parabens, no mineral oil, no sulfates, and no petroleum. It has flaxseed oil, which will provide natural hold and restore shine, and this also has shea butter that will deeply moisturize and help strengthen and protect the hair. So as you just saw, this is definitely a cream. It doesn't seem to be sticky at all. You know, nice consistency, nice and smooth. And what I noticed when I was rubbing on my hand, it smells good. This smells like summertime to me. This smells like coconut oil, cocoa butter. That's a scent this has. Let's go ahead and get on right into it. Okay, so freshly washed and conditioned. Most of the extra water is not in my hair. I'm not going to re-wet my hair. Let me know in the comments, have you done your hair in a wash and go style so far this summer? Okay, so this is my hair detangled and ready to go. Let's just get right into it. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and it is not sliding down my hand fast at all. It's very slow. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and doesn't appear to be very sticky at all. So let's see, let's do this. Okay. Okay, it is starting to curl up. Okay, I like the way it soaks into my strands. But so far, it seems like I'm using a lot on this quarter of my head. Okay. What y'all think? Okay, I'm going to stop adding it in over here because I feel like I'm going to use too much. For some reason, I think this might be a fluffy wash and go. I almost feel like I can use the whole thing in my hair. I also think if I drench my hair with water, this would probably get a lot curlier. My directions say apply to small sections of clean, wet hair. Smooth into hair in a downward motion. Follow immediately with a Denman brush or comb to define each section. Scrunch coils and curls as needed. Allow to air dry or sit under a hooded dryer. So, I don't have a Denman brush. It does say wet hair. Go ahead and get some water. I'm gonna spray that in, and I do have my wide tooth comb. Okay. Now it's doing a lot more since my hair is wetter. If my hair would have already been soaking wet, I would have used less product. You see the difference there. Okay. I almost like it better when I smooth it on my fingers because it clumps it up. And if you're one of the ones who go through and twirl, then that's what you would have. Okay. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and I'll be back. Okay. So I put more water throughout my hair and ran this wide tooth comb through it. This is what we have here, and I'm gonna stop touching it because, you know, I don't want to disturb it too much. See, I have this little part here that's a little bit stretched out there. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let this air dry exactly the way it is. Try not to touch it too much. Now it is starting to shrink some. I expected that, but we're gonna see how much it will shrink. Will this really elongate my wash and go? We'll find out tomorrow. And I'm back like I never left. Now, anyway, so it's the next day. I did let my hair dry overnight. Before I went to sleep, it wasn't even fully dry because I did start this later in the day, the video. So I took a little chance here. I put my hair in these 3 stretchy bands. And then I put my hair up like in a pineapple with a satin scarf, 2 of them. So this is what we have here. You can see there is definition. This does have a cast. So if anyone's wondering whether it'll give you a cast or not, it does. But then again, you know, I did use a lot before I went in and added water. Okay. I should have had my hair soaking wet in the beginning, but oh well. So I'm just putting a little olive oil, sweet almond oil mix on my hands. Hopefully I don't get it on the shirt. And let's see if we can come up with the shape. It has a cast, but it's not a super duper hard cast. And as you can see, I don't think my hair is flaking. Got a weird shape because of what I did. Yeah, this didn't help putting this in my hair. I could put some edge control. Not that I got a lot of edges, but y'all know by now. You know, I could put some a little bit here to, you know, slick them down. I like this. I wish it came in larger packaging, but it's affordable enough that it really doesn't matter. I was able to get on Amazon. It came fast. The link will be down in the description box for my storefront. Yes, y'all, I got a storefront, so go ahead and follow it, okay? Because I'm adding stuff all the time. To see if it meets the claims, it says defines curl pattern. That's the #1 claim. It does. #2 claim is molds and holds shape. It does. And #3 claim is it hydrates and adds shine. I agree. It does. I like it. I don't have any smell in my hair at all. It does have a bit of a crunch, but going through, I was able to separate my hair pretty well. I'm actually satisfied with the amount of body, the amount of shape I have on day 1. I'm gonna tuck this little piece of hair up in here, but that one don't want to really curl much back there, but okay, so I'm not sure how it looks back there, but I like this. My hair is actually defined. Wow, y'all, I haven't had a successful wash and go, and I really don't know when the last time. So anyway, if you haven't already subscribed, hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. I think me and my wash and go deserve a thumbs up. I think this product deserves a thumbs up. I really do. I mean, I actually used a cream gel. Yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know if you use anything from this brand. If you use this gel, are you going to try it out now that you've seen me actually use it in my own natural hair? Hey, if you go to buy it, check my link, Y'all help a sister out, okay? But other than that, I appreciate y'all watching to the end. I will talk to you later.